TIS can control ZigBee power socket or power plug using its TIS BE products. To add ZigBee devices to your hub using the TIS DevSearch software, locate your ZigBee hub in the list, select it, and double-click to open it. Go to the ZigBee Devices tab, then select the Power Management Device option. Long press on the TIS power plug for 6 seconds until you see the plug LED start blinking. This indicates that the plug has entered joining network pairing mode. In the software, click Open Join window. The joining mode will start a 255-second countdown, allowing ZigBee devices in joining mode to connect. After a few seconds, the power plug should automatically appear in the list, highlighted in yellow. Double-click the newly added channel. Test the channel by controlling it on or off. Add a comment. Keep the default channel number or change it. Assign the channel to a specific room. You can define how the hub reacts after a power outage to restore to off or restore to on or restore to toggle or restore to previous status, then press save. You can also read the energy consumption, kilowatt per hours, and check the voltage and current, as this plug contains an energy meter. You can add additional ZigBee power plug or sockets to the network one by one. The ZigBee Australian socket, designed to have 2 channels, you can add it by long press on the on-off button until the LEDs start blinking. This indicates that the socket has entered joining network pairing mode. Follow the same joining procedure to join it to the network. Click Open Join window in the software. 2 channels will be added. Test both channels, add comments, and assign them to a room. When finished, all channels will be saved in the database. To verify, go to Project Config, select Rooms, and review your configured channels.